Happy morning, everyone. Sanjit, we know we already are proud of you and we know that we are going to get that pride. God bless you. All the best, darling.
First of all, I'd like to extend my thanks to all the supporters who are here and especially my father, Dr. Andrew. So thank you very much. So Sanjit, best wishes. I know he'll be able to do it. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. And I'd like to thank principal and vice principal for the extensive support that they are giving us throughout his education. Thank you very much.
All the best.
So the first chapter that we'll be dealing with is logarithm. So first, what is a logarithm? So a logarithm is basically a mathematical function which is used to describe, which is basically the reverse of an exponential function. So let's assume there is an exponential function which states a to the power y is equal to x. Then the logarithm of this function will basically be the reverse of this, which is basically y will be equal to log of x to the base here. A logarithm function should be read as log of the function which is here x to the base of whatever the value that is. So here that will be a.
I, Dr. M. Shantaram, adjudicator at the Asian Book of Records, hereby declare that the following world record attempt has been provisionally approved. The longest lecture marathon in mathematics by an individual minor male was achieved by Sanjit Roshan N, grade 11, Fiji Global School in Vellore district, Tamil Nadu, India on November 15, 2025.
So happy morning, everyone. Usually Sunday mornings are full of laziness, but today when we are waking up on Sunday morning, we are waking up with a world record. So as ma'am said rightly, there was one extended session in the evening. We met the Sanjit mother near the gate, and then all this started with a casual note. And today on this day, we have accomplished a world record. So congratulations, Sanjit. And I would like this opportunity to thank all the grade 11 students who have been motivating him from the 10th hour onwards, that you can do even more, even more, even more. So special kudos to you guys. And let's apply the same thing on yourself also, isn't it? If he can do it, you guys also can do it. So we have miles to go. Let's work on it and let's make the campus proud. Let's your parents make proud. That's all. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you.